morning. I am a couple days into packing. This place is totally different. I don't have my shelf unit here anymore. I pulled that apart yesterday. I have got so much going on. It's actually very, very messy in here. Yesterday, my friend Chelsea and I got stuck in and we packed so much. All my kitchen cupboards are basically empty. The storage cupboard, bathroom cupboards are empty. I still have to get a few things out of the laundry and do some stuff on the balcony, but for the most part, most of the really big sorting through things is done. It's now just like tying up the loose little ends. I think I need a couple more boxes, so I might have to make my way down to Bunnings. I got another 2 boxes yesterday, but I think I'm going to need a couple more. So that's probably on the cards for today. I have the biggest pile of stuff that I'm donating, but it's all happening and I've only got 3 days left. So everything is going really smoothly. I'm also packing things in a way that I've never packed before. Like I'm actually thoroughly sorting through things and I've never done that before. So it's weird. I'm not stressed. I'm getting lots done and it's great. So I don't know where I'm starting today, but maybe I'll just show you where I'm at and what's left to do. This is currently what my apartment looks like. Over here next to the mirror, these are all the shoes that I am taking with me. These boxes, not completely finished yet, but mostly packed up. The ones at the very back under the makeup box are all sorted. There's nothing else that can go in them and they can probably be taped up. It's just stuff like sorting through the things on my desk, this sort of stuff. This is the bookshelf that was in the hallway and my coffee table that I pulled apart, and yeah, that's I guess kind of where everything's at the moment. Over here is a pile of stuff that I would like to donate or get rid of. I've got to get my plants. Rachel's going to be looking after my plants, so I need to kind of put those together and take to her place on Wednesday. I think pretty much everything's starting to come together and feeling more sorted. That there is my suitcase of clothes that I'm keeping, some clothes that I'm undecided about, and yeah, my room's starting to get a little bit more empty. These are the 3 suitcases that I'm going to be taking with me, and as I was starting to pack my clothes, my toiletries into the big one, I was like, oh man, I have so much room. I'm gonna be able to take so much stuff. Then I remembered I have shoes and handbags, and I think I might even end up having an entire suitcase for shoes and handbags, which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm going to pack this medium-sized suitcase with some shoes. I'm going to probably put them into plastic bags and yeah, just start getting these like little loose ends tied up. I'm sort of struggling with the last few things to do because I just really don't want to do them. So I'm thinking I might take everything off this desk and pull it apart and take the glass top off, and then I can push all the boxes into this corner. I'm just starting to collect all of my plants in the one area and move some of the furniture around. All my plants are going to Rachel's house, so she'll be able to look after them because she is the plant queen. So I'm gonna be so sad. I really love having plants and I'm so glad I've managed to grow this little collection. Still maybe another 5 or 6 to add to the pile, but I'm gonna miss these guys the most. Some of my furniture I am giving away, so this chair and this little table and my stools I'm giving away. I'm gonna put them on Instagram, and if someone in Melbourne can come and pick them up, then they can have them. I've decided to duck out and go to Bunnings because I need 2 more boxes, I think. I have electronic things that I need to sort through, which is years of like cameras and cables and all kinds of electrical things that I have collected that have been in a couple of different boxes, and I just need to consolidate them, clear it out and put it into one box. And then I need the other box for my documents. So I have a goal for 2020 when I come back to Australia to sit down and go through all of these documents and completely 100% organize my, I don't know what the word is, but like that part of my life that's full of documents and paperwork, and I don't know what the word is, it's not coming to me, but you know what I mean. And that's a goal for mine of 2020, but for now I'm just gonna put it all together in one big box and then deal with it next year. So that's what I need another box box for, and I don't think I really need any more after that. After that, I'm pretty sure I have all of my boxes. It's just actually getting everything into each of the boxes. Although I'm gonna need another box for cleaning products because I have all my products in the laundry and all the products under the sink, so I might get 3 boxes. Might even get 4. They said I can return a box if I don't use them all, so yeah, maybe I'll get 4 boxes and then hopefully that'll be enough. I forgot to film anything while I was at Bunnings. I was just in and out so quickly, but I got 5 boxes. I don't know why I got 5 boxes. I just chose 5 boxes. The other thing that I was thinking too is all of my sewing stuff. I have fabric and threads and all of the stuff from uni that's not paperwork. That's in like 4 different boxes and I just want to put it in the one. So I'm thinking I might get my sewing stuff and start putting my fabrics into just one box. I'm now up to doing the one part that I really didn't want to do, and that's sort through my electronics. I'm gonna have to take a bunch of this stuff anyway to do videos and things while I'm gone, but I do need to get it sorted. I have managed to put all my documents into one box. These are my notebooks. Please don't judge me. I know it's so many and I don't need them and I need to throw them out, but I don't think I have time this round to actually declutter them. I'm making a list of things that I need to declutter. And then this one is my sewing box, which is great because this has been in 4 different locations in my apartment and now it's just in the one, and I really needed to consolidate that. And because I did that, I now have boxes that are empty. I think 2 of these had notebooks, another one had documents, and another one had sewing stuff. And so I've able to condense them all, put them into these boxes, and now I'll be able to do something else with these. Also, excuse the noise. I have the doors and the windows open so you can hear the traffic. Starting to make some progress. I've been giving away stuff on my Instagram, so that's great. People are coming to collect those things. I've also started packing up my proper suitcases to leave, so these are almost done. I still have a bit of space that I can work with, which is good. Good morning, it's the next day, and surprisingly this move isn't stressing me out. I'm actually very calm, and so I don't feel like I'm doing a lot, but I am doing so much. I am just go every single day. Thankfully, I'm getting about 8 to 9 hours of sleep per night, which is amazing. I went to bed at 9:15 last night and woke up at 6, which I love because I love getting up early, but only as long as I'm getting a full night's sleep. So I'm well rested and I'm not stressed. I'm just getting tired by the end of the day because I am doing so much, which that's totally fine. Actually, now that I see these in frame, these are all my boxes from my camera lenses and my cameras, and I've kept them in the case that I ever wanted to sell any of my camera equipment to upgrade, but I never have, so I'm not even sure if I should keep these boxes. This is just in the pile of I don't even know what to do. But I had 4 people come and pick things up last night, which was great. It was so nice to meet some of you. Like, I love it. I love getting to meet you guys and chatting to you. So that was really lovely, and I really appreciate everyone taking the time to come and get stuff because it saves me a lot of time. I have a few extra things that are going today. I have another lady coming at 12:30 and I have to keep packing. It still feels so messy in here and I hate it. And because it's messy, I feel like I've made no progress, but the truth is I've done so much, and my friend Chelsea was such a help. I got so much done because of her. Yeah, that's where I'm at today, and I'm just trying to think what I'm gonna do first. I might do the fridge because that's, yeah, probably the best place to start. My fridge isn't too bad. I just have my printer, some paperwork, receipts, sort through that. I have this tabletop that I used to use for flat lays, but I'm going to have to get rid of it. And then just bags down the side, so I'm going to clean all this out. Oh, and I also have a stationery and DIY box up there, but that's fine. They can just go straight into storage as is. when it comes to the packing now, I'm down to the really fiddly stuff where I will just have something on my bench that needs to go into a box, or it's just random stuff, and it's kind of really annoying, and it's the stuff that I've been avoiding for ages, but it's got to be done. And I've pretty much done it all. Like, I've cleaned off most of the bench. There's a few things I just need to wash, but I'm gonna donate them, the kitchenwares anyway. Still don't know about these boxes. Everything in that corner is going, except for the tripod, taking the tripod with me. But yeah, most of it's like done. I was just on the phone to my friend Blair. So my friend Blair is the one that lives in Toronto. She used to live in Brisbane, and we became friends when she lived in Brisbane, and then she moved back to Canada, and I went to visit her about 2 years ago, and that's when I made the decision that I was like, I have to go and live in Canada before I find my forever home, wherever that may be. So I'm so excited. I've just been on the phone to her for like 2 hours, and I'm like, this is so awesome, because like in a week's time we can just like talk face to face and go have dinner and lunch and whatever else. So I'm very, very excited about that. But yeah, now it's like strategic planning. It's the stuff I'm like, okay, I've got 2 days left here. What do I need? What am I going to use? Like clothes washing. I did another big load of clothes washing this morning just to get the last of it done. But it's going to be weird because I'm actually going to be taking dirty clothes with me, which is so unusual. I've never packed dirty clothes to take with me when traveling before. So there's that. All my boxes here, starting to get through it, and that's pretty much the update that I have at the moment. It's about a week later, and it's very echoey in here because I've officially moved out. I'm so excited. I didn't get a chance at the start of last week to film an outro for this video, so you would have seen all of the packing into boxes, the decluttering, and getting everything ready to move in my next video. It's all about moving day and getting myself all sorted with that, and then the next video after that will be a proper and very thorough apartment tour. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Up the top you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and make sure you go and subscribe to Anna's channel. I will have it listed in the description because she vlogged as well, and there should be some video coming shortly where you can see a different perspective of our moving day.